I'm a longtime framer. I've always enjoyed framing, and I had some experience doing curved stairs, so I thought, well, this will be kind of a good sideline. So I went ahead and made curved stairs, and well, come to find out there was kind of a demand for it. From the stairs, it kind of morphed over into a millwork shop. We've got a couple of really good customers. One is Wood Source and one is Austin Hardwoods. For Wood Source, we do mostly timber trusses, box beams, corbels, a lot of heavy outside and inside stuff.
I'm Chris Skierman. I'm the president of Wood Source, and we've been working with Loeffler Millwork for 22 years. What we value most about Loeffler Millwork is the company solves our problems, comes up with design ideas. The work they perform is top notch. The quality is there. It's been a really important part of our business. Engineering trusses, truss design, box beam fabrication, box beam design. He does custom pattern work for us on milling, that kind of stuff. Attention to details at Loeffler Millwork is top notch. I don't really know if there's anybody else in town that can perform the services and the quality that CJ gives to Wood Source.
I'm Martin Schwab, Vice President of Wood Source, and I work with Loeffler Millwork to supply us with box beams, trusses, timber, corbels, all types of millwork that usually can be done only in a shop. I tell my customers, I said, we make box beams and we know how to make them right because we figured out every way to make them wrong in the beginning. And so we have these processes in place that make sure that it's efficient, it's consistent, and the quality's there. And so those are the things that are really important to our customers and to me, because if we're supplying a product that we put our name on, that Loeffler Millwork puts their name on, or whoever owns this company in the future, we want to make sure that our customers are happy with it and that it performs in the future. I think one of the most valuable things that they do is that we've got a system set where our companies understand each other, and the best thing, the most efficient thing that happens is just this understanding of what we're doing. We don't have to discuss each job, right? And so that's a huge benefit.
Obviously, we're not the only one who can do what we do. We have some proprietary methods on our box beams and that, which we'll show you. We do a lot of curved box beams, and I think there's only one other company in the United States that actually does radius box beams with the lock miters, and they're up in New England. So we've kind of got a niche there.
I'm Lonnie Busby, and I'm an outside sales rep for Wood Source. We sell a lot of different products, but when I go to a job site of a builder that I've never talked to before, I lead with Loeffler box beams. And the reason is I go, hey, we do these box beams great. We know what we're doing. You're going to get them. You're going to love them. Let me take something off your plate that's hard to do, and we do well. Next thing you know, I'm getting all kinds of other orders because they love our box beams.
We run custom moldings, and if you've seen in a custom home, you'll see houses that have radiuses to where, we'd run the straight pieces, and CJ does the radiuses for us. So it's definitely a partnership between Loeffler and Austin Hardwoods, and we need him desperately as a partner. The first time he tried to retire, I begged him. I actually prayed that he wouldn't get to retire, and I said, I'm sorry you're tired, but we need you.
Yeah, we absolutely did. And, the extent of his work to details, the attention to detail is just outstanding.
It is perfection. It is, nobody in town can come anywhere close to what he produces.
I don't have a lot of employees. I got some good employees, but just a couple. So we're really kind of small. So I need to do a variety of things, which I do. But I'm 78. I'm 79. Sometimes it's fun. Sometimes it's not so much fun. And it's time to ride off into the sunset. We have 3 bays, each 2,400 square feet, and we're using pretty much all of it. 2 years ago, we listed with Trans World, and they put a value. The gentleman told me $600,000. He thought he could sell it for. So we listed it for $550. Within about 3 weeks, he had a buyer and almost got an offer, but they unfortunately ran into problems getting the building. So then we had a couple more near misses. I just keep dropping the price because I want it to continue. So it's down substantially from that offer there.
The ideal buyer in my mind would be somebody that has knowledge and experience in custom millwork, truss fabrication, some design, or has the ability to hire somebody that can be a hands-on person in that business.
It's not a business you can just run without any experience. And then I would stay around, given my little trade secrets, every company has them, the proprietary stuff that is not going to be shown here, and get them off to a good start. I'd really like to see someone come in here and be successful, and it can be pretty lucrative.
I would say in this market it is recession proof. If someone is hesitant in purchasing a business at this time, it is it's critical to our industry, and I don't see the Colorado building industry slowing down.
And so when I think about competition, there's really not a lot, because we do some things that nobody else can do.
It's critical that we have a new owner that comes to the table and that carries a smooth transition. We want that, we need that. We would continue to work with any buyer.
I think what's unique is that we've established business, both Loeffler and Wood Source, for so many years that we've got a book of customers that come to us. In good times and bad times, high-end custom homes still get built.